Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying essentials so you don't waste time later. You check battery voltage and fluid levels, scan dash lights, and inspect belts for cracks. Once done, gather 10 mm and 13 mm wrenches, pliers, a multimeter, and the service manual. Make sure the car is parked level and the engine is cool. You should also engage the parking brake and put on gloves. This quick checklist prevents simple failures from hiding the real issue and gets you into focused troubleshooting immediately. You move into systematic diagnosis to isolate the fault. Begin with electrical, test battery and alternator output, then check starter continuity with your meter. Next, verify ignition by inspecting spark plugs and coils, measure fuel pressure, and listen to injector pulses. Once done, examine vacuum lines for leaks and inspect key sensors and fuses. Unplug and reseat ECU connectors to eliminate contact issues. Make sure to document each reading so you can compare expected values to actual ones and narrow down the failing subsystem. You proceed to repair based on findings. Replace the defective part or repair the harness, tighten any loose connections, and clear trouble codes with a scan tool. Once done, perform a careful test drive while monitoring temperatures, unusual noises, and live diagnostic data. Make sure the original symptom is resolved. If the problem persists, recheck grounding points and wiring harnesses and revisit your earlier measurements. A key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent faults remain, wiggle connectors under.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.